Hey y'all, Miss Howto here. I am recreating the cage chain jacket. Unfortunately, I was sick, so please excuse my look. Right here, I am measuring out the squares that need to be cut out. I'm going to cut out each part of each square for the fabric, but I'm going to save this fabric because you're going to see what I'm going to do with it later. So right here, you see the front part of what I cut out. You see the back part. I have the chains that I'm going to apply, and here's the extra fabric that I'm going to put to the side. So now I'm using E6000 glue to lay down the chains. Some people sewed it on, but for me, the glue made it more firm, fit to how I want it to look on my body. I did sew this part down because of the time frame I have, but right here, I'm adding my own little twist to it because I have to implement Miss Howto style into this. Now I added locks to the sleeve. I'm adding keys to the collar. And now you're going to get a 360-degree look on how this turns out. I really like how this looks. And now I'm moving on to the accessory part of this outfit. Remember, I said I saved the extra fabric. So I'm going to create leg accessories for this look. I added chains to the back of it. When you see the folding chair earrings that I customized, and voila, I wore this outfit over this weekend to the Audi fashion show. This look was giving. I got a lot of compliments, and it was really fun to do. So thank you so much for watching. Miss Howto here, JS House of Fashion. Mwah.